The most obvious sign that you need to change a watch battery is when the second hand jumps in 2 or 5-second intervals. This feature is called an end-of-life indicator. In this case, your watch will continue to keep accurate time, but within about a week will completely stop. Make sure to replace your watch battery as soon as it runs out. If you don't replace it quickly, the battery may start to leak and could permanently damage the watch movement. When your watch is not in use, the crown can be pulled out. If you leave it like this, it will stop the watch. This way you won't need to change the watch battery for longer. When you're ready to wear it again, just push the crown back in and set the time. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comments below.